Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, as you all know that this is our online EVS class and we are doing revision work. Okay, so today we are going to do lesson number 9, useful plants, and in this chapter we will do revision 1 today. Okay, so first question for this is take the correct answers. But before starting with the revision work, I hope you all have completed your last revision work of chapter number 7, that was Home Sweet Home. If anybody who has not completed the revision part of 7th chapter, then it's a request children to please complete your work and get your revision copies also corrected. Okay, and start learning all the chapters and all the work which is being done. Now coming back to revision 1 of lesson 9. First question is take the correct answers. In this I will give you the one question and three options will be given to you all and you have to tick the correct answer. जो भी उन तीनों में से correct answer होगा उसको आपको tick करना है. So the first question is which one is a cereal? Three options are wheat, arhar, gram. Three options. From these three options you have to correct the correct answer which is the example for cereal. So the example for cereal is wheat. Okay, so you will put a tick in front of wheat. Now second question is which one is not a juicy fruit? किसमें जूस नहीं होता? इन थ्री ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा फ्रूट ऐसा है जिसमें जूस नहीं है? फर्स्ट वन इज मैंगो, सेकेंड इज ऑरेंज, थर्ड इज almonds. So mango have juice in it, orange also have juice in it, but almond, that is badam, it does not have juice inside it. So we will put a tick in front of almond. Okay, now the third question, the leaves of which plant are used to cure cough and cold? कौन से प्लांट की लीव्स को हम क्योर करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें खांसी या जुकाम होता है? ओके, कफ एंड कोल्ड में कौन सी लीव्स यूज़ करते हैं? तुलसी, रोज, स्पिनिच. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज तुलसी. रोज इज यूज टू मेक परफ्यूम एंड स्पिनिच इज a vegetable. It is not used to cure cough and cold. Okay, so the correct answer is tulsi. I hope you all have understood this part. Again I am repeating the question with its answers. First one is which one is a cereal? Wheat, arhar, gram. Correct answer is wheat. Second is which one is not a juicy fruit? Mango, orange, almond. And the correct answer is almonds. The leaves of which plant are used to cure cough and cold? Tulsi, rose, spinach. Correct answer is tulsi. Is that clear children? Now coming to the second part, that is write two examples of each of the following. In this I will give you one question and you have to give two examples of each of that question. Okay, you have to give two examples. दो examples आपको उन questions के देने हैं. First one is root vegetables. Now root vegetables are those vegetables जो रूट्स में होती है. रूट्स कहाँ होती हैं? ज़मीन के नीचे. तो ज़मीन के नीचे कौन सी वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं उनके टू एग्जाम्पल्स हमको देने हैं. सो द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज कैरेट, CARROT, कैरेट. कैरेट इज गाजर एंड RADISH radish. Radish is मूली. Okay, so the two examples of root vegetables are carrot and radish. Second question is leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables means जिसमें लीफ होती है, सिर्फ लीफ होती है. सो द आंसर्स, सो द टू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लीफी वेजिटेबल्स आर कैबेज, CABBAGE, कैबेज, दैट इज पत्ता गोभी, एंड स्पिनिच, दैट इज पालक, SPINACH, स्पिनिच. ओके, these are two examples of leafy vegetables. Now the third part, that is the last part of this question, flower vegetables. So flower vegetables are those जो प्लांट के अंदर फ्लावर होता है, हम उसको एज इट इज़ ही खाते हैं. ओके, सो द टू एग्जाम्पल्स आर कॉलीफ्लावर एंड ब्रोकली. CAULIFLOWER, कॉलीफ्लावर. कॉलीफ्लावर इज गोभी and broccoli is ग्रीन कलर की कॉलीफ्लावर जैसा होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रोकली. BROCCOLI, ब्रोकली. Is that clear, children? Again I am repeating this question, that you have to give 2 examples of the following vegetables. Okay, first vegetable is root vegetables. You have to give 2 examples, that is carrot and radish. Leafy vegetables, cabbage and spinach. Flower vegetables, cauliflower and broccoli. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood the second part. Now coming to the third part, that is the last part of our video. Now the third part, that is name the plants that give us following things. Now in this question what you have to do, that I have given some names of some things, okay, and you have to tell that from which plant these things are made of. Okay, so the first part is sugar. Sugar किससे बनती है? Sugar cane, that is गन्ना. Okay, तो sugar cane you will write in front of sugar as the plant from which we get sugar. Okay, so SUGAR, sugar, CANE, cane. Sugar cane is the answer. Now second is perfume. Perfumes which you all use, that is made from which plant? Rose plant. ROSE, rose. Shampoo. Shampoo is used, you all use shampoos to wash your hair. So what, from which is it made of? It is made of from jojoba plant. JOJOBA, jojoba. Okay, jojoba plant is used to make shampoos. Now the fourth one is gum. The gum which you use to paste anything, that gum is made from babool tree. BABOOL, babool, TREE, tree. Babool tree is used to make gum. And last one is paper. The paper on which you all write, that paper is made from bamboo plant. BAMBOO, bamboo, PLANT, plant. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this part, this question. In this question there are some things written. I have written the things with blue color, and those things are made from which plant, that I have written in black color. Okay, so these are the answers. Sugar is made from sugarcane, perfume is made from rose, shampoo is made from jojoba, gum is made from babool tree, and paper is made from bamboo plant. So I hope you all have understood the revision part, revision 1 of this chapter 9. I hope you will all complete your work on time, and please get your copies corrected also, children. With this video I will give you the assignment, and in that assignment I will write down the questions only. Answers will not be given. You have to write the answers in your revision copy on your own. Is that clear? So please complete your work and get your copies corrected. So with this I am completing the revision part 1, and tomorrow we will do revision 2 of this same chapter. Till my next video, children, I hope you will all complete your work. Bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.